Have you ever had trouble paying your rent on time? With Plastiq, it's easy. Do you need an easy and secure way to pay your rent each month? Look no further than Plastiq. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up, fund transactions, and pay your landlord in no time. So buckle up and get ready to learn more about the Plastiq way of renting. With Plastiq, all you have to do is sign up with your email address, credit card, and bank account. Once you've done that, you are ready to go. Now you can easily set up payments directly from your Plastiq account. Simply select the amount of rent you owe, enter your landlord's information, and click submit. It's as easy as that. Plastiq also offers secure payment options like ACH transfers and XX. This allows you to pay securely without worrying about your personal information being compromised. Plus, Plastiq has an automated system that sends out reminders when your rent is due so that you always stay on top of your payments. So don't wait any longer. Sign up for Plastiq today and start paying your rent the easy way. Paying with Plastiq is fast and simple. Once you submit your payment, it will be on its way to your landlord. Your landlord should receive the payment within a day or two in most cases. Plus, when paying with Plastiq, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that all transactions are 100% secure. Your financial information is kept totally confidential and is never shared with anyone else. So you can rest easy knowing that your rent payments are safe and secure. So why wait any longer? Start making your rent payments easier and more secure by signing up for Plastiq today. So don't wait any longer. Sign up for Plastiq today and start making your rent payments easier, faster, and more secure. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.